them has its own pros and cons. The compiled programs are not cross-platform in the sense. So the same program you cannot use it in different operating system. Maybe there are bit modification you have to do. Same executable you cannot use it in the different platforms. But it is faster. Source code is private, so when you start executing, only executable will be given and you start executing. So you cannot see what is there in that particular executable. The source code is private and it is ready to run. Whereas interpreted programming languages are often slower because you have to read line by line and then execute. But it has the advantage source code is public so that you can go through the source code of that particular program, and it is cross platform, so you can use it in different platforms, and it is simpler to test, easy to debug. So these are the advantages of the interpreted programming language. So now let us understand the features of Python. One is Python is freely downloadable. You can download it free and it is open source. That means source code is available. And it is portable. As I said, it is cross platform. Same program, you can run it on different operating system, different architecture. And this is interpreted, object oriented, easy to read and write. So this program, like if you see any other programming language, if it takes 10 lines of code, probably you will be using maybe 4 or 5 lines of code when you use the Python. Python has large libraries. That is what is the advantage of using the Python, because it is open source. It is driven by the community. So a lot of people start contributing by writing their own libraries, and those libraries are available and you can make use of them. You need not to start from the scratch. It's already there. So you can just make use of it. And in case it is required, and most of the libraries you can modify and you can use it. So, and also it is used in the graphical interface, user interface programming, like Windows kind of programming we can do, which can run as a standalone application on your system. So that is the reason many companies and their products are using Python. To name a few: YouTube, Quora, Instagram, Pinterest, Spotify, Flipkart, Slack, Uber, Cloudera, Zenefits. So they use Python in one or other way in their products. And if you look at the top 10 programming languages of 2021 in the Stack Overflow, as per the Stack Overflow, the Python is leading. It's almost like 30% of the people like using the programming language Python, followed by other programming languages like JavaScript, Go, and then Java and C++. So you can see the importance of Python, and it's being extensively used nowadays. And these are the companies that are using Python, as I mentioned already. Few other than that, you can see edX, NASA, Dropbox, Uber, Instagram, IBM. Okay, they're all the Reddit. They are already using Python, and these are the really famous companies which are using the Python. And YouTube is originally written in Python and MySQL. Yahoo, at time when it was really famous, they were using Yahoo Maps. They're using Python for Yahoo Maps. Google search engine component like Spider is written in Python. And Dropbox, which is a server, Dropbox server, so which is running in the cloud, that's also being written in Python. There are other corporates like Shopzilla, which is a shopping comparison website that uses, and some utility managers like Yum that also uses Python, and Ultra6 server, which is a commercial search engine, it also uses Python.